If you are thinking about issuing a claim, the first thing you need to do is contact ACAS Early Conciliation. You can do this yourself online. There's a form that you need to fill in. It's a notification form, and you need to do that within 3 months from when you were either dismissed or the discrimination took place. If you can't settle it, you'll get what's called an ACAS Early Conciliation certificate. That certificate has a number on it. That number is then what you can use to issue your claim in the tribunal. Whilst it's with ACAS, the time limit's actually paused. So what happens is, if you issue your claim really close to the time limit, it basically pauses everything so that you can try to conciliate and settle the matter using ACAS as a free resource. Now, obviously, if it does come out, the time limit will start again, but you'll always have at least 1 month from the date of your certificate to issue the claim.